Today we're going to the Simmons and Daughters Sugar House. Come on with us and see what we can see. Now a sugar house is where you get that delicious Maine maple syrup. One of the daughters from Simmons and Daughters Sugar House was kind enough to explain the process to us, how they go out and extract the sap, the syrup from the trees, and different times of year, how at the beginning of the year it flows very easy, it's a lot lighter, and then towards the end of the year it gets darker, and they have the different grades and how they filter it with these types of machines. It was really interesting stuff. Not only do they make syrup, but also there's these wonderful maple candies that are absolutely phenomenal. The hard candies. They do make some soft candies too, but they weren't really to our liking. But the hard candies were awesome. At the end of the very detailed and very interesting presentation, you were able to buy whatever size of maple syrup you want, or those candies. If you are ever in Maine and you want a sugar house to go to and you want to get some really fresh, really good syrup or candies, I highly suggest you look up Simmons and Daughters Sugar House and give them a visit. Tell them ResslerMania sent you.